هلو جايز الفيديو will be in English. تحياتي الفيديو التالي بالإنجليزي. الفيديو باللغة العربية بتجدون الرابط في الوصف أسفل هذا الفيديو. Guys, in this video I'm gonna talk to you about how to get traffic to your website or your YouTube channel in order to get YouTube monetized, or in order to gain much views for your YouTube channel or for your YouTube video, to get in or to get accepted in YouTube partner program, so you can earn money from YouTube or from AdSense. Anyway, you can use the traffic from this tutorial for your own benefits. In this video, I will explain to you what is traffic dump and how it works, and how YouTube count views, what is invalid views, what is YouTube audit, and what is bounce rate, and how AdSense count invalid traffic, and tips and tricks for you with the free scripts I coded. I will share them for you. So before we go ahead here, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, take a look at my channel content. If you like it, sub my channel. There is in my channel some YouTube playlists like social media and some English tutorials. Not all of my channel Arabic tutorials, and for sure you can translate the videos using the CC button if you found some interesting video. So guys, let's go.
A Palestinian developer named Shreateh.
Shreateh is information technology specialist.
شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Shreateh, Palestinian programmer Shreateh.
Shreateh.
This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين فاز خليل شريطة.
Okay guys, back again. So this website is called named Traffic Top. This website works by surfing. This means that you register in this website. You use this website to add your links or your URLs, whatever link, YouTube or AdSense or blog or whatever link you want to add, you can add in this website. And then you need coins or virtual coins or points in this website to spend them for getting more visits to your website or links. So just register these websites, and registration email will be sent to your email address. You need to active your account. You may find the email in the spam or junk folder, so take a look at that. After you register the website, go to website slot here. You can add all your links. As you see here, these are my YouTube links. This link has over 3k views, this one 3k, this link has over 3k, 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 and this one is almost 10k views, and so on. I have 10 slots actually. You will have 5 slots. If you want more, you can buy, but I'm gonna give you in this video some tricks and tutorials so you can use as many as you want. So how to get points? As you see here, I have 0 points. This means that no one on this website is going to visit my links. I need some points, and to gain points, you go to session slots. In session slots, you can active one session per IP address. You can find some free RDBs in order to run more sessions. So once you go to, okay, my internet is so slow, so you need to forgive me for this. So you go to session, okay, and in session, I already changed the website to English interface, so just let's wait a little bit. At session, you need to create a new session. Okay, now it's in English. At session, when you visit the session, you will need to create a new session. As you see here, this is the session ID, and then I can active web session. This means that using your own browser, or you can download the software version. It's better to download the software version so you keep it running on your desktop, and you're gonna earn points while you are serving other users' websites, and so the other users will do. They're gonna serve your links and you serve their links, so you will get real views. So you can download the software and copy the session ID, this one, and paste it in the software and click start to start your session. For the web session, once you click the web session here, you can surf using your own browser. But sometimes Chrome gonna lag and run in many issues, so it's better to download the software. As you see here, I click the start session and a new window pop up. Do not close these two windows. The first one is gonna count for 60 seconds to let you, as you see here, 300 seconds, and after 300 seconds, the website or traffic dump gonna show me another link for another user in this platform. Okay, so this website, I need to serve it for 60 seconds or 300 seconds, as you see here, mostly 60 seconds, mostly 60 seconds. Now just leave your browser open like this so you can earn or you can gain points. For this website, I'm gaining 2.5 points, and I can spend them. It's gonna be spent automatically as I have links here, so you can just watch your visits just like that. So this is how this website works, how to get traffic to your YouTube channel and to your blog or AdSense. So I'm gonna talk now about how YouTube count views. So make a note, guys. If you want me to suggest you using Traffic Top or any other website that serves I'll give you traffic, you can use it for your YouTube channel. No worries about that. You can use it for any video or any channel you want, even if it's monetized or it is not monetized. You want to reach for 4,000 hours view, you can use the website, or you can to increase your YouTube views or to increase your earning, you can also use this website. It doesn't matter for YouTube, but for AdSense, you need to take aware. If you want to to be accepted in AdSense, suggests that your website should has many visitors. Okay, so you can use a traffic tab to get accepted easily in AdSense instead of waiting much time for being accepted. As you know, when you apply for AdSense, AdSense says that under review, but you can use this traffic tab to gain visitors, and then after review limit will be accepted in short time. After that, I don't suggest to use this or such websites to gain or to earn more money by visiting AdSense, because AdSense has a secret algorithms that no one knows. But if AdSense found out you are using, or maybe AdSense can found out you're using fake traffic for your website, and then or not real traffic, because AdSense suggests you that the visitor to your website should visit your website to read the articles, to use website, not for serving, not bots. Okay, the visitors from traffic tab are real. Okay, but because they are coming for serving, that means they are not real for AdSense. So AdSense gonna give you invalid traffic, discount from your money, and maybe AdSense gonna suspend your account, and this is something that no one would like to have. So this is for website views. So how YouTube count the views or remove the views? So let's say that if there is in traffic tab 100 user, and you insert your YouTube link in traffic tab. So 100 user, for example, they visited your website. Each one of them visited your link, because as you know that when you are surfing, you surf for 60 seconds or 300 seconds, or doesn't matter how much time they are surfing. They're gonna watch your YouTube several times per day. For example, for 100 user, each one of them, if he watched your video for 5 times, this means your YouTube will get 500 views. But YouTube makes an audit each day or each 2 days. YouTube make an audit. So after they make an audit, they solve out how many duplicative views or fake views you have. They're gonna remove them. So if you went to YouTube and refresh your video, if you upload a new video on YouTube and you start to refresh the page, you're gonna see that my views are counting till 300 views. After that, the count will stop. This calls the 300 views audit. The algorithm of YouTube is secret also. We don't know so much, but I'm sharing with you some knowledge that I learned from using YouTube. I'm gonna give you some scripts how to bypass how to mitigate all these fake views. Depends on YouTube. Okay. So you need to insert your website or your YouTube link. I'm going to talk about YouTube links. Then after that, I'm going to talk about your blog or AdSense links. I will try to make an index for this video down in description or in comments, or any one of you, if he made an index in comments, I will pin his comments down below. So YouTube counts comments. So I'm going to share with you this script. This script you can find in description. You can download it for free from my website. I will add the link in description. So this script's how it works. You go to your YouTube channel, okay? You copy as many videos as you want. For example, let's copy this video, okay? And you add it. Actually, the script, you will have the script like this. For the links, it will be empty. This is how the script you have. In this columns, you need to start with quotation and paste your YouTube. After that, if you want to add more links, you add a comma, and the comma should not be inside the double quotation. The double quotation should contain only your YouTube link, and then you go and copy another video. Right click on your video or open the link and paste it. Start double quotation and paste it. If you paste your YouTube link that has an and sign at mostly at the end and t equal, as you see here, remove the and anything after the and. If you copy the video with the question mark sign, remove the question mark sign and anything after it. Okay, so make sure that you are pasting your YouTube links without the and sign, without the question mark sign, and between each YouTube link you need to add comma and then start the quotation, paste and close the quotation. Add many links as you want. You can add 100, 200, as many links as you want. And I'm gonna show you how to use this script in a traffic tab in order to gain access. So after that, so what the script gonna do? The script gonna choose a random video, a random link from these links you are adding. So as you know that the traffic tab allows you for 5 links, but using this script will help you to bypass that limit. Okay, this is a hint from me to you guys. So you can add as many links as you want here, and each time the user from the website gonna visit a different video from your channel. So for one person, he won't visit your video for 5 times, he will visit 5 different videos. For YouTube, he won't know that this visitor is serving. He might think that, or you will mitigate taking down your YouTube views from YouTube audit. Okay, this is just a small hint. Now for the list variable here, for the list, you go to your YouTube channel, then lists. As you see here, I have in my channel many lists: the English list about social media, the selfie list, the tutorial list, which I speak in Arabic and English sometimes. You need to organize your YouTube videos inside lists. So you choose a list. I will choose this list, for example. Right click on it and copy link. Or if you hit the list you will see that you will be forwarded to this link or to such link. The list ID or the list that we want to take is after and list equal. You found list equal, then you take anything after the and sign or the and symbol. Do not take the and, only the after it. I will cut it to make sure that I took everything inside it. Then I will add it to this list. Between the quotation, between the double quotation, I will paste my list. For the time, okay, this is how you get your list. Why you need to have your list? You need to have your list so if a user came to your website and he watched your YouTube at the end, for example, he watched YouTube 10 seconds from the end of the your video YouTube. So by adding a list, he will be forwarded or automatically navigated to other video from your list. So you can automatically switch to other video from your list. This is why I'm saying you need to add a list, or it's better to add a list. Anyway, keep them. For the time here, what is time, guys? Time, guys, for example, you added all these video in your script. For example, you need to find out which video of them has the lowest time. Okay, for example, this video is 1 minute. This one is the lowest time. So 1 minute here. You click on the video to open it in a new tab. You won't add, for sure that guys, you won't add 1 minute video because this is a short video and no one suggests you to add 1 minute video for serving. Do not add that. Your video should be at least 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. So you go here after 60 seconds, for example, or after at the end here, before the end of the video, 2 minutes before the end of the video. So let's just take this video because this one is longer. Before the end of the video with 2 minutes, this video is 21 minutes. So I go to 19 minutes or 18 minutes. This is enough for me. 18 minutes. I click or I move the navigation bar here and then right click and choose copy video from current time. Copy video from current time, then paste anywhere you want. As you see here, t equal and this number 1001.7. You copy this number and you paste it here. And I am saying as an example, this is the lowest video or the video that has lowest time. But actually this one is the one of my longest video. You need to pick up your lowest video, which is, for example, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, for example, you can take 3 minutes, just as like that. By default, if you want to convert 3 minutes, 3 multiply 60, you can take 180 or whatever. This is what is time, so you can choose whatever number you want, depends on your videos. Okay, you can leave it at this number as a default. I'm leaving 180. Anything after that you don't need to play with. So after you fill all these variables, how to make sure that these variables are correct? What you need to copy is you need to copy all the code except the sentence which starts with window, except for the first line and the 2 last lines. Copy all the code inside except the first line and the 2 lines. Then go to your browser, right click and choose inspect. Right click in any area and choose inspect to open the developer tools here. At the first time you will see that this window, what I'm navigating here, I'm moving my cursor to here. You may find this developer tool on the right. You can choose wherever you want to move this top to. I like to choose to place it down. Then choose console. You will find console, for example, here or here, whatever. You can hold it and move it wherever you want. Just go to console and then paste the code that you copied. Once you paste it, hit enter from keyboard. Each time you hit the enter, you will have a different link from YouTube. Look at this one. Okay, shorts, and this was. Look at this one. This one is a short video because it's a YouTube Shorts, and this one is watch. And as you see here, for the time, and where is the time? Where is the time? Where is the time? Okay, time, and t. Okay, here the time is, it was in the end. Okay, my mistake. T is different per run. So each one who serves traffic tab will not watch the first the first 60 seconds. So if you add your YouTube as a link in default, the user's gonna watch the first 60 seconds of your video. The first 60 seconds of your video for YouTube. With YouTube find out you have 500 visitors per day, and these 500 visitors only watch this video and they only watch the first 60 seconds. This is a clue for YouTube that all these visitors are fake. They are not watching your YouTube because they like it. They are watching for surfing, and you are allowing them to do that. So at audit, they're gonna remove all your fake views. But by using this script, the script will give them a random YouTube link, and second, he will give them a random time to watch. For example, the first one will watch from minute 1, the second one will watch from the minute 2, and so on. So YouTube, it will be hard for YouTube to understand that all these visitors are fake. So you're gonna get more views, and YouTube audit, when YouTube makes an audit, YouTube won't remove all your videos, or I mean your videos views. or the minimum count, you will have the best views by using this script, guys. So this is how to use the YouTube and how to bypass or to mitigate YouTube views audit. Okay, how to use this code? You need to upload this code to your website, and instead of adding your direct YouTube, you can add the direct link of this script by uploading it to your website, add it, and then add the script, duplicate the script into 5 slots. If you don't have a website, I can show you how to use the script without having a website, but after I talk about the AdSense. So guys, about AdSense, you know that there is a bounce rate in AdSense and there is an invalid traffic at AdSense. Invalid traffic at AdSense, each payment, when you have a payment in your AdSense, you can notice that there is a invalid traffic, that AdSense discounts some money from your payment. For the bounce rate, if you go to Analytic, you can see there is a bounce rate in Analytic. A bounce rate means that users who visit one page in your website. For example, if I am a user and I visit only this one page and then I close the website, I didn't go to other page, this means that bounce rate gonna get higher. Okay, but if I move to the website and start moving to the next article or reading inside the website, the bounce rate will go down. This means that I am earning higher AdSense money. For example, by refreshing all these ads, you're gonna see by moving to other page, he will see more ads, more different ads, because the website gonna refresh, and AdSense will say that this is a human, not a bot who is just visiting one page, and your website is interesting. Also, this may help in your SEO and rank in Google. If you navigate to any news website, you will see that in the middle of articles, you will see that read more, or top reading articles, or most recent articles. This helps to reduce bounce rate. Visitors gonna read some headlines and start navigating in your website, so you can mitigate also bounce rate. This is for the bounce rate. So how we mitigate bounce rate in our website? By using traffic top. If I add my website, you know that 100 or 1K or 4K visitors came to the same link at the same time, and only they visit this page. This means for AdSense more bounce rate, and AdSense may understand that you are serving traffic to your website and may suspend your AdSense account. This is why I'm saying do not use if you have a valid AdSense account. But if you want to get accepted in AdSense, you can use traffic top in this matter way by using this code. So you go back to this code and add as many articles as you want. I will add this article or my website here. I will make only this article as duplicated, and I'm duplicating it here, as you see. Okay, I made a mistake here, so I need a double quotation here. Okay, now here I have added the same link. I added actually duplicate the same link, but for you, you need to add articles, different articles. It's better for you. Add many different articles as you want. So for the list doesn't matter, for the time doesn't matter, because we are not talking about YouTube. Now we want to talk about FBCLID, which is this for websites and blogs, whatever your website has. So what is FBCLID? If you go to Facebook and paste your website link, then you click your website link, you will notice that Facebook added automatically a variable named FBCLID. This is to track for your own. You can track how many visitors you have, or Facebook pixels. Actually, if you add them in your website, they can track how many Facebook visitors are coming to your website from Facebook. So I named it FBCLID because it's better than name this variable Khalil or Shreateh, for example. Maybe Google, maybe I'm saying maybe, or maybe other third-party websites can understand that FBCLD is from Facebook, and then you will have less invalid traffic and less bounce rate or whatever. It's better than adding my name. This is the best advice I can give you. So do not play with anything, just add your website, and you can upload this to your website and then add it in traffic tab. So if you are using this script for your website or with blog, you need to use this code beside it. this code, what does this code do, guys? This code gonna pick a random sequence, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, till 55 seconds. You can change 55 seconds to whatever number you want, but I noticed that traffic tab, when you serve, it gives you 30 seconds to 60 seconds, so you can make it 30 seconds or 60 seconds, depends on the website you are using. This means that when a visitor comes from the traffic tab to serve my website, he only gonna open this page, for example, right? Once he opens this page, he will start, he won't do anything because he's just serving. He will let the script running, the software running, and he will leave his PC or he may use RDP for that. So we're gonna have more bounce rate, and AdSense might figure out these traffics are fake. So how this script, what do? The script is, once the time you choose here ends, the script will automatically choose a random article from your website and switch the page. This is super cool to reduce the bounce rate, and then to get less invalid traffic in Google AdSense and AdSense. It will be little hard for AdSense to understand that the users are just came for surfing. It's not sense that 100 visitors comes to your one page to view it 100 times each day, the same page. AdSense, it's not making sense. Imagine that 100 visitors came in 1 hour to visit the same page. What? That's not sense. This is how AdSense or Google knows how these are fake visitors. But by using the script, this gonna change the web page automatically, and AdSense, it will be hard for AdSense to understand that all these bots or fake traffic. Wow, okay, fake traffic. How to use the script? You need to place the script in your website header. If you have a blog, you can paste this code, this JavaScript code in your header, and you can place this JavaScript in your WordPress header. If you can't know how to paste this code in your header, just go to Google. If you have WordPress, search Google for how to paste JavaScript code in WordPress header, how to paste a JS code in Google blog, or whatever your website structure is. So once a user came to this link, I mean, FBCDL will be added to the link, to your website links, and then by adding that link automatically, this will check if FBCDL already added. It's gonna navigate immediately to other article. I already uploaded. I uploaded here. So this is just a demo in netlify.com. If you don't have a website, you can use netlify.com to upload your script, and then to add this link in traffic tab. So as a demo, if you add this as a user who is serving my website, and see here he went to my website, and at the end here you see FPC the LID already added from the script, and after 10 seconds, look, now automatically navigated to other page. If you want to use this script for your blog or your website, the time should be less than or equal to 10 seconds. It's better to keep the time for 10 seconds or 30 seconds or whatever time you want, less than 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds at max. If you are using this for your blog or website, make it 60 seconds for the max. Okay, so one visitor will be redirected after 60 seconds, other will be redirected in 10 seconds, 15 seconds. A random time will redirect the visitors to other article. So, but as you know here, guys, this script works on my website. How you need to modify this script to work on your website? You cannot take this script, and the links will be in description for sure. You cannot take this link and paste it exactly as it is in your website. It won't work. You need to figure out how to modify this link, and to modify this link is super easy, guys. You need only to modify, this is line number 7, which says sp-menu-item, and there's a dot in front of it. Do not remove the dot when you edit this one. So I'm gonna show you on my website, and you do this on your website. Your website main menu, or the links inside your website. You go to any link on your website, right click and choose inspect. Okay, so it will be forwarded to element. At element here, you can see this is the class that I am using. A class equal sp-menu-item. You need to choose the class that you have, the class that you have for your own website coding. It will be different for sure. Copy that one and paste it here. Do not remove the dot. The dot means that it is a class. Okay, as you see here, it's a class, and for sure your links will have a class. How to make sure that these are working fine? You can just copy all all the code except the first two lines and the last two lines. And okay, the first two lines, as you see here, two lines, script and window, I'm not copying, and this is line number 10, which is the curly brackets, and script I'm not copying. Now go to console as I show you for the YouTube, and click, paste it and click. Okay, what we have here, there's something wrong here. Okay, I'm sorry, code was wrong. There was a problem with the code. I fixed it. Okay, now what you need here to paste and then hit enter, and after a certain couple of seconds my website gonna refresh and move to other link. This is how you can make sure that the link works perfectly in your website before you paste it in your website header. And what we have here, okay, sorry, FBCDL is not exist in the website. FBCDL is not exist in the website. This means that we need to place FBCDL here manually. You can go to the end of your website, question mark, and add FBCDL, and add equal, add whatever characters you want. Hit enter, and once your website open, then paste the code. Okay, so paste the code. Stop my website, please. Paste the code and hit enter, and after certain seconds or random seconds, the website will navigate to a different article, because the FBCDL should exist in the URL. Why is that? Why I added FBCDL? Because it's not sense if you copy your article and paste it on your Facebook or on other social media account, and after 10 seconds the user navigated to other article, or after each seconds the user, look, now I am in another article automatically. FBCDL should exist inside the URL. This is just a track that the visitor comes from traffic tab, but if a visitor also comes from Facebook, he also gonna be tracked, or gonna be tracked from the also by this code. And let me just add an extra character here. I didn't mention this one in the Arabic tutorial. I didn't came in my mind that you paste your code in your website link in Facebook, so I just added K here to make it different. Okay. Anyway, I did not share the scripts with the Arabic fans, so I'm just editing right now. So guys, you need to add this to track the visitors, and I will paste these codes in links down in video description. This is how to reduce your the bounce rate, to mitigate count views at YouTube audits. When YouTube makes an audit, you're gonna remove some views from your website, and by using these codes you can get higher views. YouTube won't remove all many views, but without using this script, YouTube removes most of the duplicate views. Reduce the bounce rate, reduce the invalid traffic. Tips and tricks already mentioned for you, and this is the let me check if I didn't mention anything for you. Traffic tab, how it works, website, users, software, you should download it, use the software. I already mentioned that at session you need to download the software, it's better for you. Traffic tab gives 60 seconds, mostly 60 seconds. This is why at the we added 60 seconds here. This is all for now, guys. If you have any question about the code, or about the website, or about anything you want, you can leave it in comment. By the way, guys, this website is for a friend named Dr. Farfar. If you go to Google and search for Dr. Farfar, this is his website, and his website has many of e-marketing free tools that cost thousands of money, And for bug bounty tools, also you can just take a look. You can follow him in Twitter and Facebook also for more tutorials and hints. This is the owner of Traffic Tab websites. All the credit for this website goes to him. And this is my YouTube channel. Do not forget to go to playlists and choose the English playlist. There's tutorials, there's Facebook extensions, many useful videos inside my website. If you like this video, it's not if you like this video, you should like this video and share it with your friends, because my voice is down. And you go to my YouTube channel if you like the content, sub my channel. See you guys in another tutorials. Okay, bye bye.